Hello students, let's do the Brown Skittle. Here we go. Identify the slope and the y-intercept of the following equations. Numbers only, mind the positive and negatives. All right, so if it's a positive slope, we'll just leave it as a positive. If it's a negative, make sure you include the negative sign. Here we go. We have y equals 3x plus 11. The slope is going to be the negative 3. Remember, slope is always connected to the x value when it's in slope-intercept form. And then the y-intercept is just the number. That's all by itself. There it is, all by itself. What do you mean by all by itself? There's no variables stuck to it. It's just 11. Negative 3x. Okay, negative 3 is the slope. The x is what makes it the slope. It's connected to x. And when you're writing down slope, do not include the x. Just include the number. Here we go. Next one, we have y equals negative 115 plus 15x. Now, again, a lot of people make this mistake. They just assume the first number they see is going to be the slope, because slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Okay. Slope-intercept form is normally always written that way, but just because it's the first number you see does not mean it's the slope. The slope is the number that's connected to the x value. So the slope in this equation is the 15. The y-intercept is the negative 115. All right. So again, your ability to find the slope and the y-intercept quickly in a slope-intercept form equation is kind of a big deal. Remember, there's always two numbers that tell a linear story. One number tells you where to start. The other one tells you how to move. That was the Brown Skittle.